government shutdown just can't stop Altercoin spot ETFs now.
Welcome back, folks. Time to catch up with the market on SoSoValue Crypto Daily. All right, let's rip the Band-Aid off first. The market took a bit of a breather over the last 24 hours. The total crypto market cap dipped 1.39%, bringing us down to $3.94 trillion. Bitcoin is holding its ground relatively well, down just 1.1% to sit at $113,900. Ethereum took a slightly bigger hit, falling 2.38% to about $4,100. It looks like the AI and NFT sectors felt the most pressure, with both dropping over 5.5%. Little red on the screen, but hey, nothing this market can't handle. Now for the main event, and this is big news. Get ready for a fresh wave of US spot crypto ETFs hitting the market this week. The SEC has a streamlined process now, which basically means issuers can go live just 20 days after filing their S1 forms. The catch? The SEC can still come knocking later if they find issues, which puts a bit more risk on the issuers. But who cares? More crypto access is coming. So what's dropping? On Tuesday, we're getting 3 new ETFs, the Bitwise Solana staking ETF, yes, you heard that right, staking rewards included, alongside the Canary Litecoin ETF and the Canary HBAR ETF, neither of which will offer staking. Then on Wednesday, Grayscale is converting its Solana Trust into an ETF, which will also have staking enabled. This is huge, people! More on-ramps for different coins, bringing more traditional investors into our world. You'll love to see it. And the ETF party isn't just in the US. Over in Hong Kong, they just launched their very first Solana spot ETF on October 27th. This one is from China Asset Management, or China AMC. It's the third spot crypto ETF approved in Hong Kong right after Bitcoin and Ethereum. On its first day, it saw about 113.99 million in trading volume. For context, that's about half of what the Ethereum ETFs did on their first day back in April, but still a solid start. A few key details: this ETF doesn't offer staking, has a 0.99% management fee, and you can trade it in Hong Kong dollars, Chinese yuan, or US dollars. The global race is on. Next up, a story that's a little in the weeds, but super important for corporate adoption. MicroStrategy, the Bitcoin OG of the corporate world, just got its first ever credit rating from S&P Global. They were given a B- rating. Now, I know what you're thinking. B- sounds like a bad grade in school, and yes, it's technically in junk territory. S&P cited the risks of their Bitcoin-heavy strategy, but here's why this is bullish. It's a first. They are the first Bitcoin treasury company to be officially rated. This puts them on the map for a whole new class of investors. Right now, most pension funds can't touch their bonds, but if they get an upgrade in the future, the institutional floodgates could swing wide open. Speaking of corporate strategy, check this out. ETHZilla, a company that holds a ton of ETH, just announced a pretty slick move. They sold about $40 million worth of their Ethereum last Friday. What did they do with the cash? They bought back their own stock, about $12 million worth so far. Why? Because their stock was trading at a discount to the value of the crypto they hold. It's a classic value play. The market loved it, and their stock jumped 14%. This is the first time we've seen a digital asset treasury company do this, and it could set a new trend for others in the same boat. And finally, let's talk about the big dogs. Citibank is officially partnering with Coinbase. Yes, that's Citibank. They're working together to build solutions for institutional clients to easily swap between crypto and good old-fashioned cash for things like cross-border payments. They're also planning to develop on-chain stablecoin payments. When a TradFi giant like Citi teams up with a crypto native like Coinbase, it's not just an experiment, they're building the financial plumbing for the future, and it's happening right now. That's a wrap for today's update. Catch you tomorrow, same time, same place. Cut through the chaos. Focus on what drives the crypto market. Stay on top of crypto research all in one place at SoSoValue.com.